Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about advanced Next.js routing concepts. So I'm going to go through every single concept step by step. So sometimes Next.js file-based routing can be a little tricky and difficult to understand. So I'm going to break down every single concept of file-based routing in Next.js 15 latest version in smaller sections, so it will be easier for you guys to understand. So I'm going to start with creating a new Next.js project. So for that we have to run the command create next step, and I'm going to name this project as advanced next routing. No. ESLint, no. Tailwind, yes. No. App router, yes. No. Yes. Okay. So now this is going to create a project for me in a bit. Project is now created and I'm going to cd into that folder which was advanced next routing, and I'm going to open that project in VS Code. So basically I'm going to close the other window. Alright, now I'm going to make a couple of changes in this app, but before that let me run this app and see if it's working properly or not. So as we can see that localhost has started on 3000 port, so let me open that, and the project has started already. So I have basically made a few changes in the app, and that I'll let you know that what I've done. So basically every route starts with app directory. So app directory, everything inside it will be a route. So how, like if we see that page.js is kind of basically is the initial route, which is like slash. So currently we are on slash route, and anything which we write inside this page.js will come here, which is this home page. So this is this content, that home page that is coming here. If we talk about layout.js file, so layout.js file when created right inside the app directory decides the layout of entire app. So basically whatever the layout we do here or anything, that will reflect on every single route on the app. So basically here what we have done, we have added the font links, and then basically the main thing is that I have added a navigation bar on the top. Now basically this navigation bar is a component that I myself only have created, and now this navigation bar will come on every single page on this app, on every single route. So I want to show you that what's inside this navigation bar. So this navigation bar is basically outside the app directory, which means that this won't come under routing. Now navbar is basically currently only have one link, this link. So this link component is imported from next link. So this is used to basically redirect from one route to another. Now basically whatever we write inside it will show here, but whatever we pass inside the href will be the route we'll be redirecting to. So currently like here the route is slash, so even if I like click on it, I will remain on the slash route, but we can add more links to go to different routes. Alright, now I will go back to layout page. So here if you can see that this navigation bar I have added, so this layout will decide every single layout for every single route on the app. Now every layout file will receive this prop children, and we have to return this children prop anywhere inside the layout file. So this children will basically be the page file inside that. So this is the page file, so basically this will come as the children here. So that's why we have passed it here, and this home page is visible here. Now I am going to create a route which is static route. So currently I'm talking about static route, so I'm going to create a folder. So whatever the name of the folder will be the name of the route as well. So basically I'm going to create a new folder, which let's say I'm going to create a folder named products. Okay, now if I've created a folder named products, so the route will be /products. So let me create a new file inside it. Now the convention is that we have to name the index file, which means that route file, we have to name it like page.js, so it will always remain the same. Now this folder can have its own layout as well. So by default the global layout will automatically be implemented, but again on the top of that, if we want to have another kind of layout as well, so that we can also have here and add here. Alright, so now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create like a dummy products here first of all. So let me create a component firstly. So let me name it like products. Okay, and let me save it. So now what I'm going to do, just doing this part will actually create a static route. Now I'm going to go inside my navigation bar and I'm going to create another link. I'm going to name it like products and I'm going to make the reference to products. So let me save this. Okay, let me refresh the app, and after that you see that there is this link here which is product. So when I click on it, I'm redirected to /products, and now this products is visible here because inside the page.js I have written products. So here what I'm going to do, firstly I'm going to create like some dummy products. So let me create that quickly. So I'm going to give it like an ID and a title. Now what I'm going to do inside the JSX, I'll just map these products and show a list of products. Okay, so I'm going to map the products and then show a div. Inside I'm going to like give it a key probably .id and class name equals to margin top 2 probably would be enough, and here I can have a tag probably h2 tag, and inside it I can just show the title of product, and let me give some class names to it so that it will look good. Alright, so basically I think that now our products page is a little better. So this is exactly what I mean when I say that what is static route. So this is a static route. Here the home is a /route where we show some content, but the value of the route will always be static, it will always be /. Similarly, when we go to products route, so value of the route will always be static, it will always be products, and we can show all the dynamic products, we can fetch it from wherever we want. So basically, and here we can see that this is a static route which is visible here as well. Okay, so this was all about static routes. So I'm going to be talking about dynamic routes in my next video.